It's a genuine pleasure to connect with you once more on this channel, where we explore straightforward yet remarkably powerful strategies to champion your health and vitality well beyond the age of 60. Now, pause for a moment and consider this. What if the first few minutes of your day held a profound secret? A key to unlocking not just a healthier tomorrow, but decades of enhanced longevity and well-being. We're often told that age inevitably brings a decline in physical and mental sharpness. But what if much of what we accept as normal aging is actually a missed opportunity? What if there are simple, almost effortless actions you could take immediately after waking that could dramatically reduce your risk of serious health issues, preserve your precious memory, and maintain a physical strength that defies your years? Science isn't just hinting at this. It's increasingly proving that consistent morning habits can significantly enhance cognitive function, memory, and emotional well-being in older adults. Yet, the unfortunate reality is that most individuals over 65 remain unaware of these powerful practices, or perhaps they simply underestimate their profound impact. But today, you're about to join an enlightened few. I'm going to guide you through a complete, concise 5-minute morning routine. A series of 5 specific actionable steps that top medical experts are recognizing as a golden formula for boosting longevity, physical strength, and mental clarity in later life. Before we delve into these life-changing details, I'd love to connect with you. Please share your name and where you're watching from in the comments below. Knowing more about this incredible community of older adults who are actively committed to taking control of their health truly enriches our shared journey. And if you appreciate practical, easy-to-apply content like this, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This ensures you'll never miss another vital tip for living a longer, healthier, and more independent life. To truly illustrate the transformative power of this routine, let me share the inspiring story of Harold. At 68, Harold, a retired engineer from Ohio, felt his health spiraling. Constant fatigue, aching joints each morning, and concerning cardiovascular checkup results led his doctor to issue a serious warning. Harold confessed he often worried he wouldn't live to see his grandchildren grow up. Everything shifted, however, when a retired physician neighbor introduced him to this simple 5-minute morning routine. Initially, Harold was skeptical, a sentiment many might share. But with nothing to lose, as he put it, he decided to try it. Within just weeks, he began noticing a profound difference. 6 months later, his doctor was astonished. His blood pressure, cholesterol, and even EKG results showed remarkable improvements. Now at 70, Harold possesses the vitality of a healthy 55-year-old. "I feel like I've been given a second chance at life," he told me. His secret? 5 gentle yet powerful elements he gradually incorporated into his morning to awaken his body and mind. Element 1. The morning hydration protocol. The moment you open your eyes, your body is in a significant state of dehydration. Even if you don't feel thirsty, overnight, your body has quietly lost nearly half a liter of water through natural processes like breathing and perspiration without any replenishment. For older adults, this susceptibility to dehydration is even greater due to a blunted thirst sensation and reduced kidney function. This isn't just about feeling tired. Dehydration can cause your blood to thicken, placing increased pressure on your heart and blood vessels. This is one of the critical reasons why strokes and heart attacks are more likely to occur within the first 1 to 2 hours after waking, particularly in adults over 65. According to experts, proper hydration can significantly reduce cardiovascular risk while also enhancing circulation, brain function, and metabolic performance. The solution is remarkably simple. As soon as you awaken, ideally before even getting out of bed, drink approximately 480 ml, 16 ounces, of room temperature water. Adding a quarter of a fresh lemon squeezed in further enhances its benefits. Why room temperature? While direct evidence on immediate constriction, dilation effects for stroke prevention is complex, warmer water is generally known to aid digestion and provide a gentle hydration hit after an overnight fast. The lemon, a powerhouse of natural electrolytes, potassium and vitamin C, acts as an antioxidant, supports your immune system, and contributes to overall hydration. It's a simple, medication-free way to gently awaken your cardiovascular system. The key, however, is timing. Consume this within the first minute of opening your eyes, before coffee, before tea, before anything else. This small, consistent action can make a monumental difference for your circulation and long-term vitality. Element 2. Circulation reset in the first 60 seconds. While water fuels the system, you also need to actively activate blood flow the moment you rise. The second crucial element of this 5-minute routine involves a simple 60-second movement sequence, performed immediately after getting out of bed. After lying still all night, gravity causes blood to pool in the lower part of your body, particularly in your legs. This phenomenon, often linked to chronic venous insufficiency, can lead to sensations of heaviness and aching. This temporary decrease in circulation can reduce oxygen flow to the brain, causing lightheadedness, imbalance, and, in more serious cases, increasing the risk of blood clots, especially among seniors. And research from institutions like Johns Hopkins highlights how impaired circulation can contribute to conditions like chronic venous insufficiency. Even gentle stretching can dramatically improve circulation, reduce joint pain, and boost balance for seniors. Light movement upon waking has also been shown to lead to sharper memory and stronger cognitive performance due to improved blood flow and oxygenation to the brain. Here's the 60-second sequence. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise both arms straight overhead while inhaling deeply through your nose. Then slowly lower them while exhaling gently through your mouth. Next, roll your shoulders backward 5 times, then forward 5 times. Finally, perform 10 heel raises, lifting your heels off the ground and slowly lowering them. This acts like a natural pump, helping to push blood from your legs back towards your heart. This brief routine, though lasting only about a minute, can have an all-morning impact. You'll notice clearer thinking, a warmer body, and a significant reduction in that typical post-waking sluggishness. It's a small habit that, when practiced daily, strengthens both your cardiovascular and brain health over time. Element 3. Protein timing method. Once your body is hydrated and circulation activated, it's primed for nutrition. However, many overlook a critical aspect. If you skip protein in the first 30 minutes after waking, your body may begin breaking down its own muscle tissue for energy. This silent yet common process among those over 65 can lead to progressive muscle loss if not addressed, even with adequate protein intake later in the day. The National Institute on Aging emphasizes that maintaining muscle mass is crucial for staying independent, as age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, can impair mobility. Research also indicates that the timing and distribution of protein intake throughout the day are vital for muscle maintenance in older adults. Studies suggest that seniors who consume 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein within 30 minutes of waking experience better outcomes in preserving muscle mass. In essence, getting your protein right at the start of your day can safeguard your muscle mass for the hours ahead. Getting the right kind of protein is simple. Consider a whey protein shake, 4 to 5 egg whites with 1 whole egg, or a cup of Greek yogurt mixed with protein powder. For vegetarians, options like soft tofu, cottage cheese, or high-quality plant-based protein from peas and rice are excellent alternatives. What truly matters isn't solely what you eat, but when you eat it, as soon as possible after waking. This golden window of morning protein intake not only helps you feel stronger, but also contributes to better energy, improved mobility, reduced back pain, and supports both cognitive and cardiovascular function. Element 4. 90-second mobility sequence. After a night of stillness, it's not just your blood flow that slows, your joints and muscles also become stiff and less flexible. This is particularly risky for older adults, as even a seemingly simple movement, like bending or twisting incorrectly, can lead to slips, muscle strains, or joint injuries. Tragically, Chronic joint pain, reduced mobility, and even loss of independence often stem from neglecting a few minutes of gentle movement each morning. Orthopedic specialists, including those at Cleveland Clinic, explain that the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints, tends to thicken during sleep. Without actively warming up and loosening this fluid through gentle motion, your first movements of the day occur under conditions of higher friction, leading to small repeated wear and tear injuries that can eventually manifest as chronic arthritis or joint degeneration. The simple solution: after your circulation reset, dedicate an additional 90 seconds to a gentle sequence that lubricates your joints and warms up major muscle groups. Begin by sitting on the edge of your bed and rotating your ankles 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. Next, make small circular motions with your knees, about 10 rotations per side. Then stand up, holding onto a chair or the bed for support if needed, and gently lean your upper body side to side 5 times on each side. Slowly rotate your torso to the left and right, and conclude with 10 slow backward shoulder rolls. This brief routine helps your joints move more smoothly, alleviates stiffness, supports your balance, and significantly reduces your risk of falling, especially beneficial for those with a history of back, knee, or spinal issues. Element 5. Mental clarity exercise. With your body hydrated, circulation flowing, muscles nourished, and joints loosened, there's one final, arguably most important step: awakening your brain. A foggy or unfocused mind can diminish your ability to fully experience and enjoy the day, regardless of your physical health. Many believe that memory loss and cognitive decline are inevitable with age, but modern science offers a different perspective. Maintaining clarity, quick reflexes, and sharp thinking is absolutely achievable if you activate your brain correctly at the very start of your day. Researchers at institutions like Stanford have highlighted the morning as a crucial period for brain health, noting how consistent morning routines can significantly enhance cognitive function and memory. While the specific mechanism of BDNF boosting in the golden window is a nuanced area of ongoing research, the general principle of stimulating the brain early is widely supported. A remarkably simple yet effective exercise is to mentally recall your previous day in reverse. After completing the earlier steps, sit quietly, close your eyes for about 1 minute, and begin visualizing yesterday from dinner to lunch to breakfast. Recall who you spoke with, what you did, and where you went, moving backward in time from the most recent events to the earliest. As this becomes easier, challenge yourself by extending further back, perhaps 2 days, or by adding more specific details: what you wore, the weather, how you felt. Exercises involving autobiographical recall have been clinically shown to help maintain cognitive function, potentially equivalent to people 10 to 20 years younger. Just 1 minute each morning can strengthen short-term memory and actively help prevent cognitive decline, addressing a quiet fear many older adults harbor without knowing how to proactively respond. My dear friends, today we've uncovered how just 5 minutes each morning, broken into 5 accessible elements: proper hydration, jump-starting circulation, timely protein intake, joint mobility, and brain activation, can lay a robust foundation for living a healthier, sharper, and more independent life beyond 65s. It may sound deceptively simple, yet it's often these seemingly small, overlooked actions that differentiate those who become increasingly dependent from those who continue to live freely, strongly, and with profound inspiration well into their 90s. If you were to ask me what truly determines longevity, my answer wouldn't revolve around medications or hospitals, but rather the consistent habits you cultivate every single day. And the morning, without a doubt, is where it all begins. So, when you open your eyes tomorrow, commit to trying these 5 steps. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. Simply start with how you greet each new day. If you found today's insights helpful, please hit the like button, and in the comments, share which element you plan to start with tomorrow morning. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so I can continue to support you on this incredible journey toward a longer, healthier, and more meaningful life. Finally, if you have loved ones or friends over 65, please don't hesitate to share this video with them. You might not just be offering advice, you could be providing them with the opportunity to live differently, with renewed vitality and independence.